Except this is the good bark, the edible bark.
Yeah.
Chocolate goodness.
Yeah, not the air bark and the bark on the tree. You don't want to eat that.
Do you know what those are called?
What?
When there's a word that has the same sound but two different meanings.
A hun?
Very close. A homonym, yes. So it's like bark, like woof woof, and then bark like a tree. That's what the tree bark sounds like, right? Do you want to hear a very funny story?
What?
So when your mommy and Uncle DJ were younger, I would walk and collect all the bark off the ground, and then they would step on it. So I would run real fast, grab all the crunchy bark, and then I would put it by their feet, and we would like rate the sound of the crunch. So mommy would step on it and it would go crunch, and I would be like, ooh, that was a good crunch. Yes, we're from New York and the tree bark falls off, but here in Florida, not so much. Although sometimes the palm trees just, fall out of the sky, right? One of their limbs will just be like, and fall.
Oh, it fell on my head.
Time to walk our bakers off the list of ingredients we have here.
We have little pumpkin seeds,
Mm-hmm.
pistachios, sweet tarts, yummy chocolate chips, and butter. Everything's better with good. Everything's better with good.
It's a song we made.
Our candy melts pink and candy melts red.
Yep, and we also put a little bit of vegetable shortening. That is the trick to keep these nice and silky and smooth. And then we also have our molds. These are gonna make our bark look like pretty candy bars. So first things first, we're gonna pop this into the microwave. You wanna do this slowly, guys. I know you wanna just put it at 2 minutes and let it be done, but your chocolate might burn and then it will taste really bitter and bleh, right? No one wants burnt chocolate. So you're gonna pop this in the microwave in 30-second intervals until you see it start to melt. All right, guys, so our chocolate and our candy melts are all melted. First, we're gonna use our candy melts to make a super cool design on the bottom, which will then be the top of our chocolate bark. You make whatever design you want. And I'm gonna go the other way with the pink. This is very relaxing, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you're making a heart. How cool is that? Very nice. While Valentina finishes up her designs, I'm gonna pour the melted chocolate into a disposable pastry bag. This came out hot, guys. Overall, it took about, I would say, 1.5 minutes to fully melt the chocolate. And then you don't wanna put the chocolate in the bag right away because you'll just have super hot chocolate and that's not good.
No one wants to burn their mouth.
Exactly. Enough chocolate.
Enough chocolate.
It's never enough. Never enough. Never enough. You are doing a great job. I think there's enough chocolate in that one. So I'm going to spread it and you do this one, okay? Oh, yeah. Extra chocolate over here.
You know me, extra chocolate.
Perfect.
Oh
yeah. All right, then we're gonna grab our little fixins and you can decorate as much as you want. These are some lit sweethearts, guys. Bakers, come close. I want you to see what this says. This heart says on fleek. Are you on fleek?
Done.
All right, so these now have to cool. As you can see, mine is a more artisanal chocolate bark with the nuts and a few candies, and Valentina's is the pure chocoholic, candy crazed, a lot going on here. So we're gonna put these in the fridge to set, and we'll show you what they look like when they're done.
Bye. Get back and they look
They do look so cool. Of course, we put these in the freezers because you're dealing with team, no patience here. Whoop whoop!
Yeah.
Because we use silicone molds, this is gonna be so easy to pop out. So now is the grand reveal. I'm gonna flip mine over and we're gonna lift gently. Oh, this looks so cool. How cool is that? You want to show our bakers?
Yeah.
Wow. Ta-da! How cool is that? So we got nice, beautiful chocolate and then our super fun layer. All right, let's do yours. Wow, look at your heart. How cool. You see the heart? So cool. I love it. All right. Now, of course, we got to give this a try, huh? I want this pistachio piece right here. All right. Cheers.
Yes.
Put our more chocolate.
I can be energized.
This is the evidence of a good treat, right?
Just made my hand messy.
We had so much fun celebrating the great month of love, aka February, with all of you bakers. Don't forget we have a very special segment starting in March called Bakers on
Adventure!
Yes, Bakers on an Adventure. Valentina and I are going to be showing you all of our favorite adventures that we love to play that inspire our baking in the kitchen, right?
Yeah!
So stay tuned for that. Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and turn on the notification. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, Yummy Thumbs Up, and our TikTok also at Yummy Thumbs Up. Till next time, bakers!
It can also be tickles.